Now, let's solve this problem on the board. Now, this problem is similar to the ones that we've done before. Now, I'm going to apply Newton's second law in solving this problem. But then, I'll be using shortcuts in solving this problem. Let's indicate all the forces connected to the bodies. The 20 kilogram body, the forces connected to it, the tension and the gravitational force, F. On this body, now it is assumed that the plane is frictionless. So the force connected to the body is, first of all, the tension, because this string and this string, the string connecting both bodies are the same. So for this body, there's also a sliding force. That sliding force is a natural force on an inclined plane. So the sliding force is acting downward. That is W sine theta. So, but then I'll be solving this problem using shortcuts by using the formula. A is equal to the acceleration. The acceleration is acting in this direction. Acceleration is acting downwards. So A is equal to, let's assume here to be m1, m2. m1 minus m2. The sliding force sine theta over m1 plus m2 multiply the acceleration due to gravity. Now let's impute the value. A is equal to 20 minus 10 sine 30 over 20 plus 10 times 10. So A is equal to 20 minus 5 over 30 times 10. Acceleration, therefore, is 150 over 30, which is therefore equal to 5 meters per second squared. Now, you could see that with a stroke of a formula, we've been able to dissect and demystify this problem. I know you have a better way of solving this problem. If you do, solve it and drop it in the comment section. We'll all learn from you. Thank you very much and have a nice day.